Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijal. In this session, we learn the find words from the string in C language. So first, share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open. I'll drag file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to find a word or number of words from a given string. So that is a one word match or number of word, but that is the same one we have to find out. So that is a find out a word from the string, or number of words means that same how one word is number of time in appear that string, or we can say that one statement. So yes, that is you have to know. We have to know any data type C and C++, that is a string data type, but we have to also take the handle of string programming in C and C++ using derived data type array, character 1D array. So that is start we have to. And here first, yes, I explain what is our input. And so like this is a pen, and we can say that the pen is good. Okay, so that we have to first which word you have to search. So we can enter one statement or one word. So here I enter the search word as that is search word that our so, word. And so that is a we can say that pan pan. Yes, so pan is two time, or if the is we have to enter, so that is also two time. So that is our output. So let us take, I just provide multi-comment line. So input and output. So what is a process, what is a logic we have to apply, so that is we have to start. So first our header file, yes, and standard input output, and then console input output, and that we can also use as string one function. So I include the string.h header file and that void main, and now we can declare as a first static string. So character and our main, that is string. So I taking 50, and search word SW. So that is search word. So here we can take as 20. Yes, and then integer, that is I equal to 0, and j equal to 0, and then we have to take as a length, and how number of times, yes, that the word is repeat. So we can say that times, yes, times, that type of variable, that is also as an integer. So that we can also initialize. Yes, I here take length as after, because here initialize and length is not require any initialization. So all are well. So total we have to 5. So 2 1D character array, and that 4 we have to integer variable we have to use. So first we have to scan, that is our string. So enter one string. So we can use that directly get s, and that is str. And that again that same we can our search word. So I can copy and enter search or find. Yes, both word use. So word, enter search word, not string. So here only one word we have to enter, and that is also we can take as get as, but that time sometime taking the buffer overflow, so I can use here flush. So f flush function is there, and std in standard input. So that perfectly, and now we can use as length initialize. So our two string is scan, I equal to 0, j equal to 0, and number of times that also 0 times variable, and length not assigned. So here we can use strlen, string length, and that is we have to pass our search word. So after that is, yes, here I copy and replace the search word. So that is a length we have to take in. And now we can start our while loop. Yes, here no use as a for loop, because how number of times that word is appear in one statement. So we can take as a while loop, and that string of I that not equal to null. So that number of times means end of that string, that while loop is repeat. And now what to logic? So if condition, and that is you have to know string that again that is we have to first equal. So first word of first character. So that is our main string, and that is search word. That first letter if match. So here we can use as a j variable. So I and j both we have to initialize as a 0. So first of our main string, and that is a search word, that is a if match. So then and then we can take again that while loop. So that is a str of, we can say that I and equal if both word is match. Yes, so search word and our original first letter, then if condition come, and now we can take as while loop. So and yes, now, and also that is a not end of file, means that is a mean that end of null, end of file is file management. So here we have to take as a null value. So that both condition is perfectly, then we can plus plus our, that is first we can take I plus plus, yes, and then j plus plus. So both number of word that is match. So continue until the that first letter match, then we can go in the next character. So that is match, and also and logical or operator, and that string means that not end of file. And now we can take again that if condition. So if simple if under this, if simple if again, so that is j and equal to length, yes, that is match, and again that is parenthesis and string of that I equal yes, and that is a if any blank. So that is one word is a counting, yes, so we can say that our one length, yes, we have to already taking the length variable. So that number of time j is plus plus. So that is one word. So we number of how many word of our statement we have to find out. And here we can take as logical or operator. And again that string of I as not equal to null value. So that number of time that if condition, and we can take as a times. So times variable we have to take, and that is time. So yes, we can plus plus. So that is a counting how one word match from the string. So that length is match, yes, j. So here while loop is a completely one word match, then that loop is means that completely if condition is false, and then if condition again. So while loop false, so j equal to length, yes, that one word match, and that not blank, and or any one condition is match. Here logical and, so length is also match, and not that is equal to blank space. Yes, if that is one word match, then blank, and that our string is not end of means null value. So that is a time our one word is match. So we can take as a times variable plus plus. And how again that is next word we have to same word, yes, here means like we have to use as a pen. So second time that repeat, how we have to find. So again we have to take as a while loop, and if that if condition that is not first word match, so we can continue our statement to searching a next word. So how to skip here we have to find out. So that is we can say that I plus plus, here we can again I plus plus, and if that we can say that string if condition in while loop. So that we can say that if equal to null, so that we can take as a break. So that while loop we have to terminate. So that is a skip. So if that first character is not met, so we can continue I plus plus, and that is next word we have to search. And if that is a end of mm, that is end of our string, so that is a terminate with null value, so that while loop is break. So break keyword here we can also use. And now what to do? So here complete our if condition, and then while loop is continue. Yes, our main while loop. So here again we can take as I plus plus and j assigned to 0. So next word we have to search. So how number of time we can take as a assigned to j is 0. So again like pen. So second time pen is appear. So that is counting that length is j is plus plus. So that is start one, and that is next time times is plus in here if condition. So that is our goal. And now we can print our search word if exit. So we can say that times is greater than 0, because we have to initialize 0, so not equal sign. So we can say that that number of times, so printf, so that we can search word print how many number time now is appear. So percentage s, yes, here's that one word, and we can say that search word appear, yes, appear. So yes, appears, and how number of times that is appear, and times, yes, number of time, and slash and provide. So here percentage s for search word, and number of time, that is our times variable. So as part if not search, so times is remaining to 0, not means plus plus. So that we can give as part again, that is percentage s which word that is not search. So search we can say that search word does uh, does not in the statement, or we can say that string. Yes, that is no problem. So we can say that statements. Yes, and then again slash n, and that we have to print that search word sw. So that word is not appear, and then get ch. So that is a perfectly our logic. So let us check. First I can save, so that we can give the name as a search word. So from the string, so string, yes, str, and we can say that search word, but that is a long. You can maximum 8 characters. So here 3 and here 5, so 8. So I remove here that underscore. So yes, now that perfectly is string search as word. Or if underscore if you provide, so remove that d, so that s word, that type of meaning of file. So I compile, yes, one that is remaining here semicolon only, just yes, that is remaining. So let us check. Yes, there is one warning. So yes, here equal sign, yes, that not just assignment. So that is perfectly no any warning, no. So we can solve step by step. If any error that some we can taking as some typing mistake, so there is no problem. So we can take as a solution. So now let us check perfectly or not. So yes, I just revise what is logic. So here 4 that is our integer, and 2 that is string 1 DRS. So total 6 variable we have to utilize, and two one statement or one string we have to scan, and one word that we have to scan. Here you can also use scanf function, because that is only one word. Yes, so you can use, there is no problem. And then length we have to count our search word, and then not equal to null, that number of while main our while loop, and then if condition first letter is match, so then and then we can continue to next character. So that is a match, so I and j plus plus, and that length is match j equal to length in our search word, so that times is plus plus our number of time. And here if first character is not matched, so we can else part just skip out the first word and continue to second word, because one blank after next word is coming. So here again I plus plus, and if that is the end of our statement, so that is a break loop. And then in if else after, that is j plus plus, and first one word searching, and again that is a second time that word is appear, so assigned to j is 0, and that is a reset means our j variable. So that is a again any word that is a same word in the same statement, so that is a search reset, we can say that j value we can assign to that declaration time, we can also as a 0. And here that if one word is matched, so j is plus plus, so how that is same one word is coming to in this statement is yes or not, so we can reset j is 0. And if number of time is coming, so that is number of time, and that word is also print. And if not any does not exist, that word is not in or string, so that is a search word does not in the statement or string you can use. So let us check that logic is work or not. So I compile. So this is a pan. Yes, I first only one statement, and then enter. So enter search word. So I enter the is. Yes. So let us check. So yes, is search word appear in one times. Yes, here number of time, and that word is print. So that is very perfect. And you can look here, our one word is search. So yes, and now I compile again and run. So let us check now. This is a pan, and we can say that the pan, yes, but the dot, yes, here we can dot, I cannot apply. So again, creating problems. So the pan is good, that type of word. So now our search word is pan. So two time, yes, pan is match time. So yes, pan, yes, why that taking three times? Yes, so that is okay. So here our okay. So let us check. Yes, that perfectly. And now, so here number of time, yes, 0 we have to assign, and that is a we can also number of time. Yes, let us check. Yes, here is a times is 0, and that is a match. So here times we have to plus plus. So that is a first time. Yes, and two time. So let us check. We can take as a watch window, and then after we can hear, that is I think that number of character is a, so here I provide 100. Yes, that is, let us check. I compile again and run. So yes, we can give the pan is black. Yes, and pan is good. So let us check, and we can say that like pan. So yes, now perfectly. So you can look, pan is appear word is two times, that perfectly. So our length is in previously I can run that three times, but because that is skipping means that length is or main string is not perfectly, because that more than 50 characters. So I assign to 100, that is static. So that is how it's possible. So let us check. We can take as watch window. So alter W and that is a watch window. Yes, and let us check our output window also here. And then I take here our main string str of I. Yes, then search word of j, then we can take as I j, and then times variable number of time. Yes, and length. Yes, so length variable, so that is a 6. Yes, I think perfectly all variable we have to apply. And here I can just show you what is our logic, how that execute. So all that is coming our 6 variable, and now our output window. So you have to know here I directly control F8, so that is a start to here scanning, and I control F9, so that is a give the pan is red. Yes, and the pan is good. Okay, so that is perfect, and that pan, or you can also give the word. So pan, yes, that is also the is 3 and pan is 3. So let us how to skip first. The is skip first word. So yes, here you can look. So first our search word length is 3, yes, pan. So here you can see the watch window and str that not equal to null, yes, if our while loop starting. And here that first if condition is false, because that str or search that is the t keyword, and search word that start with p. So that if condition is false means not equal operator. So that is relational operator. You have to know very well, and go in else part. Yes, you can look, but that is not equal to blank. So I plus plus, so here I is 0. Now that is a first if while loop is a condition not equal to blank. Yes, that true. I plus plus, that is second, so the and h word, so that is also not equal to null. So that if condition is false not equal to null, so that is a if condition is false. But then again blank, yes, no blank, because h, that is how to one word is not matched, so how to skip, that is a here that logic is applied. So that is not blank. Yes, so again I plus plus, now that e is not matched. So here no problem because no matching. We have already decided that first letter is not matched, so that word is skip. That is logic of the skip one word. Now how skip one blank, that is second word. So let us check I plus plus, and now blank. So if not equal to, but that is a true, here is blank, so that while loop is false. And I plus plus, yes, and j assigned to 0. Yes, here you can already assign 0. Now again main while loop is not null, so that now our first word search string and search word that is a equal. So yes, here perfectly equal because p and p both are same. Our search word is pan, and our statement that taking the p pan letter first, so that equal. So here how that is equal, yes, and not both condition is true, then and then I plus plus j plus plus, and again both plus plus, so second character match. Yes, here again we have to match here one character match, again then second character and not equal to null, so that is a I plus plus then j plus plus. Yes, then third and letter, yes, that is match, and now that is a blank. Yes, now that while is false, so that is a not a null, but not equal, because here is a blank and here is our search word is complete. So that again here, yes, j or length is 3. Yes, look, and our search length is 3 and j equal. So that is if condition is true, str is a blank. Yes, here blank. Only one if here logical or operator. So here and, so that is a true, and any one of these true, that is a times 0. Now that is one mode match, so that time plus plus, so that is a one first pan is search, that is complete. And now at if condition is true, so not go in else, and then I plus plus again j set to 0 again, because next word, so pan is two time repeat, so second time, yes, that while loop is that not equal to null, yes, condition is true. because that is a I. Yes, in our main string of statements, so that is I, and that is not match because pan and I. So that is how to skip again that else part go in while loop and not a blank that continue that our string. So I plus plus, yes, I plus plus as word, yes, that is skip, and now is blank. So while loop is not means false, and I plus plus, so that is red red. So that is also skip, yes. So again, not if condition is false, else, and next that is a skipping one word, yes. So red word is skip, yes. I think you have to know not know very well logic. Now you have to in else part. So that is a skipping one word, and if that our string is terminated, so that while loop is cracked, and main also that is means that while loop is false. So that is a one word is match, and that print only one time, but now that one string is continuing, and again that is a mm, red word is skip, so that now is blank, yes, and then while loop false, I plus plus j0, again our main while loop that not equal to null, and word, yes, so that is also skip. I now by press F7 continue, so that is how to skip, yes. So now that blank, yes, so that is a I plus plus j not equal to null. Yes, if condition again false, a word. So that is a not match. Again, that while loop skip this word. So that is a THE. Yes, and last time then blank. So while loop false, j is I plus plus and j is 0. So that not equal to null or main. And now that pan word second time appears. So if condition is true, and that while loop continue to next, that is only one character we have to match, but that all word is match or not, we taking from while loop. So that is yes, that not equal to null, and our character pan is matched. So I plus plus j again start to 0 and now continue j plus plus. So 1, yes, that second letter e both are matched, yes, that while loop is true, and I plus plus j plus plus, again that third and letter is match and not equal to null, both and operator. So while loop is true, I plus plus j plus plus, and now perfectly. So now is a, you cannot look here, that is match, and j is length, and length variable 3. So again, if that while loop is false, because that is next character is not match, but j equal to length, yes, and only one. So here that is blank is match. So time again that 1 to 2, yes, here you can look two times span word is appear, and then I plus plus j is reset, that is again that third word is appear. So yes, here now pan is, so is word is skip because that is I and P. So that is skip in that else part while loop. So I just press F7. So yes, blank. So while loop is false, I plus plus J 0. That is now our last word, and that is you can know good. So yes, here look in output window. So that is also skip. Yes, I just pass out. So now you can understand what happened. So now yes, here last time, yes, that is a dot and not blank, but that is a string terminate with null value. So here if condition is true, yes, look here, if condition is true and break, so that is a break this loop because blank is not. So why this if condition? So last that word if skip or any that word we have to not match. So that time our string is terminated with null, so equal to null, so that break. So that is a here not any blank because that is a last word. So that is very important this if condition, then and then you can come out this while loop. Again by that while loop is infinite, so that is very important this if condition. And then I press F7, so break, yes, and I plus plus j 0, but our main while loop is not equal to null, but that is a now null, so that is also false. And times is you can look in watch window, so 2, so greater than 0, yes. So that our search word, yes, pan search word appear two times because that is a SW search word and times that print, yes. So look perfectly. So previously that is three times, so because that is a our number of character is less to our statement, so that is a uh, giving the wrong output, but now that perfectly. And what is solution? So first I remove control F8. So we can give any number of character, and so you can take as dynamic string, or we can say that as a pointer. So let us check. I search word and our main string giving the pointer. So look now, there is no any error, and we can say that the pen is we can say that yes, any like red, and the pen is good. So same statement, but here I search word give the th, but that first is capital. Yes, so only one word match, because first t is capital and in between, so we can give as a is. Yes, yes, so that is better. So yes, you can look is search word appear 2 times, so there is no any error. And now we can take as a static, but now I completely give the dynamic listing. So I take uh, n variable, or you can say the size. So here we taking two sizes, that our search word and that is our main string. So yes, n1 and n2. Yes, and now first I scan, enter size of main string. So that is a scanf function, and taking as percentage d, and that is ampersand n. And again, that is we can provide. So I just copy and paste over not main, but we can say that size of word. So that is a, we can say that search. Okay, so search or find. Yes, here we can use as a find word, no problem. And that again, and two. So how to dynamic? Yes, so here we can assign str equal to malloc. Yes, so malloc and calloc. Yes, there is dynamic memory allocation. So that is a return data type is void pointer. So we can type casting character, and that n1 just you have to pass n1, or that is multiply size of character, but character is require only 1 byte. So that is you can assign only that pass only one argument n1, that is no problem. And that same thing in our search word. So that is a, now you have to know malloc, and here I use the calloc. Yes, so both we have to use. So here n2, so I just n2, and second is a size of, and that character you cannot pass that second argument, that is a perfectly work, because here character data type only 1 byte is required. So there is no issue, and now we can must be free function use, so malloc and calloc. So first free, and then copy and paste second, so that is a search word. Yes, so both string we have to take as static to dynamically complete. So that is block is reserved. So that is our responsibility. We can use the free the block. So yes, let us check, and that sometime taking the error get us. So here we have already used the flush function. So let us check if main string taking any problem. So here we can also use flush function. So now I compile. Yes, there is no any error, and we can say that I give some. So we are students. Yes, and we can say that uh, study in F5 BCSM1. So yes, there is no any two-word match. So we are student. Yes, we are student. Study in F5 BCSM1, and we can say that okay, any statement. So the students. Yes, again I taking same one word. So students. Yes, the students are okay, any statement. So now, okay, so here that taking problem. So find out that one string again, that search word. So yes, that is a first I give the size. Yes, that is a taking the word. So now I take as, so that is not two times. Yes, that perfectly. But size we have to, I cannot scan perfectly. So that, let us check run again. Here I give the 100 size, and now that word, so I give the like 20 characters. So now look better. So one string, just that skipping. So yes, pause or flush function we have to use here, directly enter the search word. So now I can give any word but not search perfectly. So what to do? So here we can, I previously told you, you can also use here as a flush function. So that is a problem. So that is a std in. Yes, so before the get s here, and that is our search word, we have already used flush function. So now let us compile again. So yes, that some mistake. So flush, yes, here some typing mistake. Yes, so that is perfectly, there is no any error. Yes, so I give some. So let us check. We are learn c c language, and the C language is power. Yes, yes. First I give the size. Yes, that again. So 100, and our search word, so 20. So now that perfectly. Yes, here look. So we can say that we are learn C language LNG. C language is powerful. Yes, that type of statement. So my search word is C language, CLNG. So yes, CLNG. Yes. So you can look the search CLNG search word appear two times. And now I not, that word is not in the string. So like we are, so we are, yes, first I give the size. Yes, I, so 50, and search find the size of find word, so 10, and we are students, but I search word as give the pen, but that is not. So pen word does not appear in the statement. Yes, that perfectly in else part. So there is no any word, one word match of our string. So search word does not in the statements. So times we have to not print, that is zero, obviously. So pen search word does not in the statement perfectly. So yes, we can first take dynamically and some taking the scanning problem. So we can solve, that is a flush function. So yes, enter the here some size of find word, or we can say that search word. There is no problem. So yes, all are well. So write this program to your C notebooks if you prepare, and we can also taking the watch window, and we can first taking static string, and that is dynamically. So input, output, and process. So here very important logic here, start to here complete, and that is our output if condition. So number of times that string. So that in between that taking our logic. So yes, now complete this session. So now I can close Alt F3 function key, and just, so Alt F3, just watch window, output window, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any question regarding this definition, how to find out the one search or find out one word from a string, given a string. So you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Thanks again, and Hare Krishna.